Today we're going to be taking a look at the ServiceGuru document uploader add-on for ServiceM8. This add-on makes it super easy to handle the sharing of work-related documents to the necessary people through the use of automation. Another great use for this add-on is also to use it as a central place for any work documents that you plan on regularly emailing out or you want to attach to a job card. So to get started today, let's move into our add-on tab and open up our document uploader add-on. Here you'll be able to see a list of your currently uploaded documents. As you keep uploading documents, it may get difficult to find what you're looking for, so it's worth mentioning that we have a search box here to help with that. For now, let's go ahead and add a new document by pressing on the green Upload Document button. For today's example, we're going to assume that we are a pest control company, and it's common for us to have to send out a list of chemicals that goes into the products that we use on our jobs. So let's get this set up for one of our products today. The first thing you'll want to do is select which file we want to upload. So to do that, let's go ahead and press Choose File. From here, we can just double click on the document we want. In this case, the wasp nest chemical sheet. After this, we can give it a name that we would recognize. In this case, wasp nest foam chemical sheet. After this, let's go ahead and upload that. Great, now that we're at this stage, we can see a preview of our document. As mentioned earlier, we could save the document like this, and we would be able to add it to our jobs manually. But if we scroll down here, we'll be able to see where this add-on becomes really useful through the use of automation. So to get started with this, we need to press the blue Add Automation button. So as you can see here, we have a few different areas which we can base our automation off. That would be badges, categories, materials, or with the client. As this document is related to a particular product, let's set this automation up based on a material. So to do that, we want to click in the material box and search for our material. In this case, it's for a wasp nest, so let's search for wasp. From here we can select the material we want. And below this, we're going to see a couple of new options. First up, we'll be able to see the option to automatically attach this document to the job card every time we add this material. Secondly, we'll also have the option to automatically attach this as well as email out the document. For now, let's just keep it on that and we'll scroll down a bit further. For now, let's keep it as this option. If we scroll down a bit further, there's a couple more options we need to look at. So right at the bottom here, we have this automatically email this document on job completion button. If we click on this, it's worth noting that it will change our setting up here back to automatically attach document. It's worth selecting this option for when you want to send out the document on job completion rather than when it is attached to the job card. Below this, we can also say where we want to send it. So in this case, let's click on the contact and we can either select job contact or billing contact. For this example, let's just go with job contact. A couple of other things worth touching on is that you can set up multiple automations for each of your documents, and the automation will be carried out when it meets any of the criteria. If it meets multiple of the criteria, only one document will be attached or sent out, so you don't have to worry about duplicates. Once we're happy with everything here, we can go ahead and press save. As you can see here, a new document has now been uploaded, and you can see that it has an association to material for the automation. The above two documents don't have any associations, so if we wanted to add one, we would just go ahead and press edit, and come back into the same section we worked through a minute ago. For now, let's press cancel. Now that we know how to add new documents, let's go ahead and look at this add-on inside of a job card. So let's move back into our dispatch board, and let's open up job number 63. From here, let's move into our quotes and invoicing section so we can add in our material that our automation was built on. So to do this, let's just press add material and service. Let's type in wasp, add in our line item, and then let's go ahead and press save so we can see this automation in practice. Now that we've done this, I'm just going to refresh our page quickly, and now let's reopen up the same job, which will have the fresh data. So as you can see here, our file has now been attached without any manual work on our end. While we're here, let's quickly look at how we would also add other documents from this add-on. So if we move back into the add-on section, move down to document uploader, we'll be able to see a list of all the documents we've got uploaded to our system. Once again, we have a search box here to help us find our documents. And if we decided we wanted to add one of these to the job card, or attach and email it out to a client, we could do that as well by selecting either of these buttons below. And that's it for the document upload add-on. We only covered one example today based off of material, but there are so many more options for this add-on. Some other examples may include sending out work method statements for a specific client using the automation by client option, or possibly sending out a terms and conditions based on the category. We know you'll find this add-on extremely useful, and we really look forward to hearing how you use it.